CSS. You know, the thing that we use to make this website, to this, to this. In the early days of web development, many developers were limited by what they could do with just HTML. So this guy proposed to this guy who created the World Wide Web to work on the concept of Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS. And on the eventful day of December 1996, CSS1 was officially released. So how does CSS work? CSS works by associating style rules to your HTML. What does that mean? For example, if you want to change the background color of the website to any color you choose, you simply select your body tag and apply the style rule for background color, setting it to your desired color. What we just did is called a type selector. Type selectors target all elements of a given type. For instance, if you have many paragraphs in your HTML and want to make them smaller, you can use the P tag to select all of them and then adjust their font size to be 12 pixels smaller. But what if you only want to select a specific paragraph? Well, you can just use the ID selector. The ID selector is denoted by a hash symbol, followed by the ID of the element. IDs must be unique within a document, meaning they should only be used once per page. For example, if you want to style a particular card differently from the others, you can use the ID selector to make that card blue. However, by doing this, your card will no longer follow the same design as the others, because the previous design rules applied by the type selector will be overridden. So how do we solve this? Well, we can just use the class selector. The class selector allows you to apply styles to multiple elements without affecting the styles applied by type or ID selectors. Class selectors are denoted by a dot followed by the class name. For instance, if you want to apply a specific style to several cards, you can assign a class to those cards, and then define the style rules for that class. In this example, all elements with the class card will have a border and padding. The element with the class of special card will also have a blue background and white text, in addition to the styles defined for card. But what are this really? The style rules you see are called properties and values. There are like your paintbrushes and Lego bricks. For example, the color property changes the text color, and the background color property changes the background color. The font size property, on the other hand, sets the size of the text, and then the margin property sets the outer space of the element, while the padding property sets the inner space of the element. Finally, the border property sets the border of the element. It's that simple. Properties are aspects of the elements you want to change, and values are the settings you apply to these properties. I know we covered a lot of concepts today, which is why we made a PDF version of this video. It's free, but we would appreciate your support for the channel. This is just the basics of CSS. There's more to learn, such as layouts, responsive designs, and more, which we will discuss on this channel. So, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.